One more?
Yeah, keep going. We still got another 10 minutes.
Um, how do you, this one I'm really curious about. How to lose the fear of losing your goal after a long period of all these little synchronicities and happy moments regarding your goal as if you were already there.
Okay. So in the context of law of attraction, what is important? Is it the goal that's important, or is it the journey to the goal that's important?
I believe the journey too, because that is what brings you joy. But in the same time, I am experiencing that in these moments of synchronicities, like very rapidly, one behind another, like I'm like, okay, universe, whoa, what is about to happen next? And then
Yeah.
I feel like, oh dear, now I jinxed it.
No, you can't jinx it. So to me, it sounds like you're in alignment, that you're flowing. To me, it sounds like you're doing everything perfectly, right? So it's about understanding that everything that you're going to experience is a co-creation between you and your inner being. Okay. And your inner being is infinitely powerful, right? So anything that you experience is something that's co-created with your inner being, who is unconditionally loving, who can create any circumstance. So whatever circumstance you find yourself in, it has to be for your highest good because it was co-created by source. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah. So all you need to do is just keep milking the pleasure of the journey. And the more you're focused on enjoying the journey, the happier you are, the more pleasure you're taking in the journey, the less you're going to care about the destination, right?
That is true.
Do you care what manifests over here if you're already in pleasure all the time?
No, because it's a lot of fun to see all these small things appearing right in front of you.
Exactly. And do you know when all of those things show up?
Sorry?
Do you know what allows those things to show up?
It's my excitement, my joy, my eagerness to see what else is coming.
When you're having so much fun that you don't care when those things show up, that's when they typically show up.
Yeah, I really hope I can keep it going.
Yeah, don't hope, choose.
I choose to.
Decide I'm going to keep it going, right?
Yeah,
I'm going to find a way to milk my entire day the same way I do when I drink my coffee, right? I'm going to practice that and I'm going to just enjoy the journey for what the journey is and see where it takes me.
awesome.